Hi, Steve here at Best Las Vegas Auto Glass Repair. Las Vegas is the entertainment capital of the world, which means there are many classic and luxury automobiles driving around this town. What does that mean to us as an auto glass repair shop? Well, that means that business is good, because there's a lot of automobiles, sports cars included, that receive rocks and chips and cracked windshields on a daily basis, mainly from the large 18-wheelers that drive all over this town. If you happen to own a sports car, luxury automobile, or one of those beautiful old classics, and you'd like a free estimate on a windshield repair or replacement, please contact our office at 702-472-8020 or visit our website at www.bestlasvegasautoglassrepair.com.